Christine is going to try to collect Amelia. We're at the Lowell Folk Festival. It's been a long day. Amelia has muddy shoes and she's in this little cagey thing. But Christine's trying to get her out. And, oh, what happened? Here they come. Oh. Grumpy.
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to what? Oh! Amelia's wearing her mommy and I out. Look at baby Amelia. Hey, baby Amelia. Oh yes, babies need to go in the stroller.